eyes are on the next storm system already brewing in the Gulf of Mexico. It's right here, Invest 92, as designated by the Hurricane Center. As of the 8 o'clock advisory, 70% chance of development over the next 2 days, 90% over the next 7 days. No matter how we figure it, though, we are likely to see a depression or tropical storm form either today or tomorrow, meaning a cone is coming. And all the models are indicating this strengthening as it pushes towards the Florida's Gulf Coast by the middle of next week. And that next name would be Milton, if you are keeping track at home. As for our latest spaghetti models, pretty good consistency of this developing and pushing towards anywhere from Collier County up towards Tampa Bay as we get in towards the middle of the week. So eyes on Southwest Florida potentially, and our in-house computer model really ramping up this into Milton by Monday as a potential hurricane and continuing to strengthen as it pushes towards our coastline by next week. So we're going to be getting, again, new computer models throughout the day. But again, that model only goes until Tuesday. So let's pick it up here with the European model, which I also think has a pretty good handle on things. And you can see that landfall on Wednesday. But you also notice a cold front to the north. That's going to be interacting with that frontal boundary. I think it's going to prevent it from going too far to the north up towards the panhandle. But it is on the backside also going to bring in some drier air to southwest Florida as this tropical system, again, would be Milton as it pulls away from us. So as we look at rain chances, kind of a 1-2 punch. We've got an area of low pressure moving in Sunday into Monday, bringing us some decent rain chances. And then that tropical system Tuesday and Wednesday with that drier air on the backside of that into Thursday. And if we're looking at rainfall totals between now and Thursday, the European model is spitting out anywhere from 3 to 4 to 5, 6 inches, maybe even higher in isolated spots. So this is average totals. You get into those tropical downpours, we all know that can ramp up pretty quickly. So 2 rounds, 1-2 punch, round 1 coming Sunday, Monday, watching that tropical development for us with those impacts likely Tuesday, Wednesday with that tropical system. As for right now, it's quiet, it's peaceful, it's tranquil at Fort Myers Beach for us. In the next couple hours, we are expecting actually nice morning for us as we climb up into the upper 80s, even into low 90s out there. We will be tracking some storms later, but it still will be a hot day in terms of humidity. Feels like temperatures in the upper 90s, some triple digits out there today. But again, we will be tracking while tranquil morning, some afternoon storms firing up 3 o'clock right up along the coastline for us in towards those evening hours. So just kind of plan accordingly for that. And then again, Sunday is the first round of that 1-2 punch. You can see rain chances already increasing in the morning and really ramping up the second half of the day, Sunday into Sunday night, with rounds of heavy rain and thunderstorms pushing through the area. So what are we looking at rainfall just the next, say, 48 hours? Well, a bunch of rain with those thunderstorms today in Collier and Lee County. Then you add in tomorrow's rainfall. Most of us will already have 1 to 3 inches of rain on the ground by Monday, and that's not even before the tropical system arrives later on in the week. So we definitely need to pay attention to things, especially how saturated our ground is for that localized flooding. So as for tonight, thunderstorms early, and as we head in towards tomorrow, building rain chance, especially the second half of the day with that cloud cover around. We're also looking at temperatures, say about 85 degrees for us. So as we look ahead towards our 7-day forecast, more of that typical what you'd expect summertime stuff today. Sunshine in the morning, afternoon storms. Round 1 of our big rain event, Sunday into Monday, ramping up those rain chances, and then watching our tropical threat on Tuesday and Wednesday. So a very wet first half of the week. We will start to see some drier weather moving in for the second half. You also notice with all this rain and clouds around, cooler temperatures.